here in the kitchen, getting ready for the next episode of In the Kitchen with Lote. I'm super excited for this episode because I'm going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be baking something called fried cream, which sounds super delicious. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you the method of redacting a recipe, taking it from a period 3 to 4 sentences that may be a little vague, maybe they don't have all the instructions, but we're going to take this recipe and we're going to turn it into a more modern looking working recipe that we in the contemporary world will understand a little bit more. So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm so excited to show you this process. So I hope to see you all soon. Bye!